Fix WUCHANG Fallen Feathers KERNELBASE.dll crash on PC. Verify game files, open Steam, go to your library, right-click WUCHANG Fallen Feathers, select Properties, Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Restart Steam after the verification finishes. #2, Update Windows, open Settings, Windows Update. Click Check for updates. Install all available updates, restart your PC. 3. Update GPU drivers. Install the latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics driver. Choose a clean installation when available. Restart Windows after installation. If the crash started after a driver update, test a previous stable driver. 4. Disable overlays. Disable Steam overlay. Disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA or AMD overlay. Turn off Xbox Game Bar. Restart the game after disabling them. 5. Run the game as administrator. Open the WUCHANG installation folder. Find the game's executable file, right-click it and select Properties. Open Compatibility. Enable Run this program as administrator. Click Apply and launch the game. 6. Delete shader cache. Close WUCHANG and Steam. Clear the GPU shader cache through Windows or your graphics driver software. Restart the PC. Launch the game and allow shaders to rebuild. 7. Repair Visual C++ runtime. Open installed apps in Windows. Find Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Repair the installed x64 package. Restart your PC. Launch WUCHANG again. 8. Disable background programs. Close MSI Afterburner. Close Rivatuner Statistics Server. Disable RGB utilities. Close hardware monitoring applications. Temporarily disable unnecessary third-party antivirus features. Repair Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run sfc/scanow. Wait for the scan to finish. Run dism online/cleanupimage/restore health. Restart Windows. 10. Reset game configuration. Close WUCHANG and Steam. Back up the game's configuration files. Rename the configuration folder. Start the game again. Let WUCHANG generate fresh configuration files.